All right, Harry, so what I did to represent kind of what we're talking about is that's an 8-foot ramp there. 7 feet would be give or take where that battery charger is on the ground. A 7-foot ramp slope down, maybe even a little bit less than that. If you look at this stick over here that I have on the ground, this is measuring right at 11 feet from the bumper to here. So it's kind of hard to tell because I'm going to have to go over this, but if your ramp was starting right here, you'd be able to make that turn. So even at this distance, when I bring it on, if I go right at the 11 feet, when I go right at the 11 feet, like you'd be coming in, you kind of then start turning it and then get it up the ramp. See, I have a longer ramp, so now obviously mine is hitting, to go up that ramp, it's hitting on that ledge, but your ramp wouldn't be starting to here, so you wouldn't have any of that obstruction. So, I mean, it's going to be a tight fit, but at the 7-foot ramp, like you said you would be able to get it on there at a better angle. But it looks like it'll make that turn if you get the ramp down to 7 feet, and then it should still go up that slope.